Hello everyone, I'm Shihan. Today I'm coming with very interesting topic that is Microsoft OneNote. Let's talk about furthermore. Let's move on. The purpose of Microsoft OneNote. The Microsoft OneNote is a digital note-taking application that helps users organize and gather their notes and information in one place. It's a versatile tool suitable for personal and professional use. Let's move on. The main functions of Microsoft OneNote, we can categorize these under 5 categories: note taking, organization, collaboration, integration, and multi-platform accessibility. Under the note taking, we can create digital notebooks for different subjects and we can capture text, image, and web clippings. Organization, which means we can use sections, pages, and tags to structure our notes efficiently. OneNote allows for easy navigations and categorization. Under the collaboration, once we have created our notes, we can share notebooks with others for collaborative work. Multiple users can edit and contribute in real time. Integration, which means seamlessly integrates which other Microsoft Office applications like Word, Excel, and Outlook. It also works well with third-party apps. And finally, multi-platform accessibility. We can access our notes from various devices like personal computers, Mac, tablet, or smartphones. Synchronization ensures our content is always up to date. Let's move on. These are the practical uses of Microsoft OneNote. Mainly, there are 5 practical uses: meeting notes, project management, study aid, personal journal, and research works. Let's move on. Okay, this is very important part. Let's try it. In this section, I'm going to explain how to create a notebook and how to add sections and pages and how to use tags. And finally, once we have created our notebook, how to share this with others. Let's try it now. Okay, guys, let's try it now. To create your OneNote, first you have to open your Microsoft OneNote. Just go your search bar, just type OneNote, then you can find the OneNote, just open it. Then you can get to your OneNote. First, to create a notebook, you have click the file in the top left corner, then go to the new. Here you have to select the new, and then you have to name your notebook. Here I'm naming as my first work. Okay, after naming this, we have to choose the storage location to store our notebook file. Okay, now our notebook has been created successfully. Here, next, let's see how to add sections and pages in our notebook. Here we can find the new sections options, and also we can find the plus button. By clicking the plus button, we can add new sections for our notebook. And also we can rename our sections. I'm gonna rename this new section 1. Just right click, and we can find the rename options. Then we can rename it. Okay, let's see how to add page. Go to the add page options, just click it. Once you have clicked it, your page has been created successfully. After that, you can rename your page, just right click, then you can find the rename options, then you can rename your page. Okay, our page has been created successfully. Then we can add anything to create our note. We can insert various elements in our notes such as image, tables, and links. And also we can use the draw tab to create handwritten notes or sketches. Here there are several options to create our notes. And also next, let's see how to use tags. Here the tags are helping to categorize and prioritize our notes. We can use these tags while typing or after selecting text. Here we can find the tag in the home tab. So this is the tags. We can choose any tags to do important questions, anything for our note. Just I'm clicking to-do list. Then we can find our tag has been created successfully. Now we can add anything in our note. Okay, once we have done our note, we can share it to others. For that, we can find the share options here. Just click it. By clicking it, we can find these some options. So by using any options from these, we can share our files to others.